We're making delectable, very easy to bake cheesecake with marmalade, coulis, and chocolate bark. Sometimes you just need a no-fail recipe that comes together really, really quickly to make a cake, something nice and sweet, and it has a little tang of lemon in it. It's really absolutely refreshing, a wonderful cheesecake, and it really couldn't be simpler. Put the coconut biscuits into a plastic bag and crush it with a rolling pin. While you're crushing the biscuits, melt 6 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan. You need to use about 3/4 of a packet of biscuits. Grease a muffin pan well and add a layer of biscuits into the bottom of each cup and then press it down with a spoon. Drizzle melted butter over the biscuits and wait for it to be absorbed. Don't mix it in, just drizzle it over and wait for the butter to be absorbed. Grate the rind of 1 lemon and then halve the lemon and juice it, and you're going to need 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Add 2 eggs and half a cup of brown sugar to a mixing bowl, and we're going to add the balance of the ingredients. Beat together the eggs and the sugar, and as I say, now we're going to add the balance of the ingredients. Add all the ingredients to the mixing bowl and mix it well together. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder onto your mix and blend it in. We're going to decorate our mini cheesecakes with an orange and lemon coulis and a bit of chocolate. Section out 1 orange and squeeze the juice from another orange. Add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and about 4 tablespoons of brown sugar to a saucepan.